Determine the equation of the tangent line that meets the circle at the point -3, 2. Let us begin. So here we have a line, let's denote it by L, and we need to determine the equation of this particular line. This line is tangent to the circle at point A, having the coordinates -3, 2. Okay, so let us begin. So here, what we'll do, we'll be using the point form of a tangent line to determine the equation of that tangent line. So let's quickly recap what's the point form of a tangent line. It's given by the equation x times x1 plus y times y1 plus g multiplied to x plus x1 plus f multiplied to y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Now here x1 comma y1, that's nothing but the coordinates of the point of contact. Now from a diagram, we have found out that x1 comma y1, that's equals to -3 comma 2, which means that the value of x1 will be equals to -3 and the value of y1 will be equals to 2. Our next goal will be to obtain the value of the constant g, f and c. For finding those values, we'll be using the equation of the circle. So we have the equation of the circle given by x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 10y plus 1 equals to 0. We're going to compare this equation of the circle with its general form. So let's compare the equation comparing with the general form, which is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0, comma, we are going to get 2 times g. So 2 times g will be equals to -2. 2 times f will be equals to -10 and the value of c will be equals to +1. That means g comes out to be -1, f value comes out to be -5 and c is 1. Well, we're going to use this value and rewrite the point form of the tangent line. We have now x times x1, so x1 will be -3 plus y times y1, so y1 will be +2. Then we have plus g, so g value is -1, so we have -1 times x plus x1, so x1 will be -3 plus f, so f is -5, so we have -5 multiplied to y plus y1, so here y1 value is +2, where y plus 2. And we have the constant value c, so that's 1 equals to 0. So let's simplify this. Then we're going to get -3x plus 2y. We have -1 multiplied to x, so that's -x. Here we have -1 multiplied to -3, so that's +3. Then we have -5y minus 5 times 2, so that's -5 times 2, that's -10, added to 1 equals to 0. The -3x, -x will give us -4x. 2y minus 5y, so that's -3y. And then we have 3 added to 1, that's 4. 4 minus 10, that's -6, equals to 0. Multiplying throughout with -1, we get 4x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. And this is the required equation of the tangent line, which is tangent to the circle at the point -3,